along, let's take a trip to the jungle farm and see. Every letter has a friend, an animal for you and me. Where A is for alligator, snappy and green. B is for bear, so big and seen. C is for cat, who purrs so sweet. D is for dog with happy feet. E is for elephant, trumpeting loud. Stomping, stomping, big and proud. A, B, C, come sing with me. Animals from land, sky and sea. Jump and dance, clap your hands. Learning letters is so grand. F is for fox, so sly and quick. G is for giraffe, tall and slick. H is for hippo, splashing around. I is for iguana, crawling on the ground. J is for jellyfish, wiggly and free, floating softly in the sea. Splash, 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 slither, blow! A, B, C, come sing with me. Animals from land, sky and sea. Jump and dance, clap your hands. Learning letters is so grand. K is for kangaroo, hopping so high. L is for lion, roaring to the sky. M is for monkey, swinging with glee. N is for night owl, hooting in a tree. O is for octopus, waving hello, with 8 arms, fast and slow. Now P is for penguin, waddling fun. Q is for quail, on the run. R is for rabbit, hopping so fast. S is for snake, slithering past. T is for tiger, strong and bold, with orange fur and stripes of gold. U is for urchin, spiky and small. V is for vulture, soaring tall. W is for whale, splashing in the sea. X is for X-ray fish, see-through and free. Y is for yak, furry and strong. Z is for zebra,